3 books written by Yumnam Dinbajit were released today in a function held at the Hindi Parishad, Old Assembly Road, Imphal. The books were Manipur the Chahi Tarik Khuntakhiba 1819 to 1825, Manipur ki Ningthau Role the Yumnam Pham Naibasing, and Manipur A View to Our Glorious Past 33 AD to 1891, Volume 1. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren's wife NHANDLOOM today inaugurated showroom of RENU Handloom and Handicrafts at Haupa Marak Ngangom Lekai. This is the second showroom of RENU Handloom. Supporting the agitation by Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur STD-CM demanding inclusion of Meitei community in the Scheduled Tribe list, the Naharupana STD-CM Bishnupur district today held a sit-in protest at Nambol Kaithel, Hau Kaithel. Bharatiya Janata Party ST Morcha Manipur Pradesh today organized an awareness program on COVID-19 vaccination at Tamil Sangam office premises in Moreh. The participants were sensitized on the importance of immunizing every individual above the age of 45. Continuing the upward trend of daily infections, India has reported 1,45,384 fresh cases today, the highest single-day spike ever, taking the overall tally to 1.32 crore. According to media reports, this is the 5th time since the beginning of the pandemic in 2020 that India's 24-hour tally crossed the 1 lakh mark. On April 5th, there were 1,03,558 fresh infections, while on April 7th, 1,15,736 infections were reported. On April 8th and 9th, the 24-hour tallies were 1,26,789 and 1,31,968 respectively. With today's rise, the active cases in the country crossed the 10 lakh mark and reached 10,46,631, which is 7.93% of the total cases. A team of Bishnupur Police Commando Unit arrested a man for possessing 5.20 kgs of suspected opium during frisking and checking at Tronglobi along Imphal Churichandpur Road last evening. A police report identified him as Mangminthang Haukip, aged 23 years, hailing from G. Konwam Sangaikot under Churichandpur district. The contraband items were found concealed inside a bag. The arrested along with the seized items was handed over to Moirang Police Station, where a case has been registered over the incident. Internal Quality Assurance Cell IQAC of Oriental College and NG College organized a one-day workshop on institutional challenges for NAAC re-accreditation of Autonomous College today at the premises of Oriental College located at Takiel in Imphal. The workshop was sponsored by the State Project Directorate of RUSA. Oriental College Principal Dr. S. Ranjit, NB College IQAC Coordinator L. Robin, Dean of Science, Oriental College L. Mani, and teaching and non-teaching staff of the Oriental College participated in the workshop. Youth Unity Development Organization UDO Yumnam Huidrom and YPC Yumnam Huidrom jointly held an anti-rabies vaccination program in Wangoi constituency today. The anti-rabies vaccination program was held at Yumnam Huidrom Makha Lekai, Pangal Sifai Makha Lekai, Paupitek Mayai Lekai, Thiam Leishangkong Mayai Lekai, and Yumnam Huidrom Awang Lekai. Around 400 dogs were administered anti-rabies vaccine in the program.